Hello, my name is Tobias, Bahne, and I'm from Germany.
I'm Nyeko Alwera from Uganda.
Hi, I'm Lise from Belgium.
My name is Guy Ball from South Sudan.
I'm Ayee Flora Tracy from Uganda.
My name is Aizaz and I'm from Pakistan.
We are developing a rainwater harvesting kit to overcome the shortage of clean drinking water in the camp.
That we developed a rainwater harvesting kit which is given to the refugees when they arrive in the camp. So let's see what's inside. We have all material which are needed, like the plastic sheet to put on the house and some connectors and a manual where everything is explained. So this is what it could look like. If you have a square house like this, you could put it like this and make like the gutter adjusted with the bamboo. So if it rains, the water will be collected here. And also the round solution, if you put the water, it will go here through the gutter. First step is to use the jerry can for collected. Second step could be put a bigger container. We also have this hole in the ground where you can collect the water and save it for some days. Then the next step could be to build this mud container. You put the plastic sheet inside to collect the water. Then you could adjust a pulley to get the rainwater out of the mud storage.
In future, we are planning to develop the whole model on a large scale and to test in the real refugee camps. And we are going to have improvements in this model to make it suitable for almost every kind of environment and every kind of structure of the house.